In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily unmute an account on Threads. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Threads. Now let me show you the easiest way how we can unmute someone. So first off, just go to your profile, tap at globe and select muted. That will show you the list of accounts you have muted, and the easiest way to unmute them is just tap at unmute button next to them, just like that. Also, we can unmute some user from their profile. To do that, hit at 3 dots and then unmute. That's how you can easily unmute accounts on Threads.